Pixie Icon Pack is an Android application designed for users looking to enhance the aesthetic appeal of their devices through customized icons. This iconic pack features a vibrant collection of beautifully designed icons that can replace standard app icons on home screens, providing a fresh and modern look to any Android interface. With thousands of high-quality icons available, Pixie allows users to personalize their devices according to their style and preferences, ensuring a cohesive theme across various apps. The application is compatible with multiple launchers, making it accessible for a broad range of Android users. Additionally, it regularly receives updates, introducing new icons and design variations, which keeps the collection dynamic and in tune with current design trends. Beyond icons, Pixie often includes wallpapers and widgets that complement the icon designs, allowing users to create a comprehensive and visually striking home screen setup. Overall, Pixie Icon Pack is a popular choice for those who wish to elevate their smartphone or tablet's appearance while expressing their individuality through unique icons.